In 2022, a single bird flew for 11 days without stopping. No landing, no food, no water. It traveled over 13,000 kilometers in one continuous flight, and its body had to be rebuilt mid-air just to survive it. This is the Bar-Tailed Godwit. Each year, individuals fly from Alaska to New Zealand or Eastern Australia, crossing the entire Pacific Ocean without a single stop. Satellite tracking has confirmed flights lasting over 11 days continuously. Before departure, the Godwit undergoes a physical transformation. It eats almost continuously for weeks, doubling its body weight in fat. At the same time, its digestive organs, the gut, liver, and kidneys, begin to shrink. A functioning digestive system is heavy, and on an 11-day flight, it's also useless. There's nothing to digest. So the Godwit's body reduces these organs by up to 25%, redirecting that energy and weight toward muscle and fat reserves instead. While the digestive organs shrink, the heart and flight muscles enlarge. The heart rate during migration stays elevated for the entire journey, beating continuously for over 250 hours without rest, powering wings that never stop moving. The Godwit doesn't sleep during this flight in any way comparable to humans. Some migratory birds are known to enter brief states of unihemispheric sleep, resting one half of the brain at a time, allowing the bird to stay airborne and alert continuously. For the entire journey, there's no land, no landmarks, and often no visible coastline for days. Godwits are believed to navigate using a combination of the Earth's magnetic field, the position of the sun and stars, and an internal compass refined over generations. By the time the Godwit lands, it has burned almost all of its fat reserves, sometimes losing more than half its body weight. The first thing it does is feed, beginning to rebuild its digestive organs within days of arrival. This entire migration depends on wetland habitats at both ends of the journey remaining intact. Coastal development and habitat loss along these flyways threaten a species whose survival strategy leaves zero margin for error. Every year, this bird disassembles part of its own body, crosses an ocean with no stops and no margin for error, and rebuilds itself on arrival, using nothing but fat, muscle, and a sense of direction we still don't fully understand. The full Bar-Tailed Godwit species profile, migration routes, biology, and conservation is on DailyNatureDive.com, link in the description. Subscribe. Next week, we look at a forest that creates its own weather,